This presentation outlines the GCSE curriculum offer for science at Abbey Park School. For all GCSE pathways, we deliver the AQA courses. At Abbey Park, we offer two different GCSE pathways. The triple science course, where people study biology, chemistry and physics and obtain 3 separate GCSEs, and the combined science course, where people still study biology, chemistry and physics, but the amount of content and the demand is lower. The pupils obtain 2 GCSEs on this pathway. Top sets or sets, depending on the ability of the year group, study the triple science course. This is, however, flexible if pupils are not coping with the demands of the course or do not have the work ethic required to do well on the course. They may be moved across to the combined. The remainder of the year group will study the combined course. As previously mentioned, the triple course is in for 3 separate GCSEs. This slide outlines the topics covered within each discipline. There are 7 biology topics, 10 chemistry topics and 8 physics topics. All topics seen here are the same within the combined course, however, space is only seen in the triple science course. In each discipline, there are required practicals which pupils undertake during the course. The focus of each differs, looking at building a variety of skills from following and constructing a method, recording valid results, analysing data, and producing conclusions. These skills will be the basis of 15% of each of the final exam paper. Each GCSE is made from 2 exam papers, both equally weighted. The length of each exam is 1 hour and 45 minutes. The exam is made up of multiple choice questions, structured questions, closed answer questions, as well as open responses. Therefore, there is support and challenge for a range of different abilities within the triple science course. There are 6 different exams in total on this pathway. The exam board suggests that pupils targeted at band 6 or higher are likely to do well on this course, otherwise they should be doing combined. As previously stated, the combined science course contains all of the same topics as the triple, other than the space topic, which is only in the triple physics. The key difference in each topic is that it is slightly less content and of a slightly lower demand. The content learned, however, is sufficient to still lead on to any A-level sciences courses, and therefore does not restrict any career option. The triple course bridges the gap between GCSE and A-level, but is not a requirement to get on any other course. Similarly to the triple course, there are set practicals which pupils undertake throughout the course, and again they will be assessed in the final exam. These are exactly the same as the ones that are in the triple course, just a few less. There are 2 exams per discipline, as in the triple, but the exams are shorter at only 1 hour and 15 each, so half an hour less. The papers count for 16.7% of the overall double-weighted GCSE. The scores are added up and the pupils are awarded a double score, so 2 separate GCSEs. The papers are in a similar format as previously mentioned for the triple and shown on this slide. There are many misconceptions about the science GCSE courses. The first and main one to dispel is that triple science is not a requirement for any course or career. It is only favoured or favourable. All options are open to those who study combined courses as well as the triple courses. It is the A-levels overall that matter. Being able to get onto those A-level courses is applicable to both combined and triple pupils. The A-level providers require at least a band 6 to be able to get onto an A-level course, and this can come from either combined or triple. So you do not need to do a triple science to get onto any career pathway or any course. There are many careers in science open to anyone who enjoys or excels in science. Many only think of the medical professions, forensic science or engineering, but here are a few other ideas. This is far from an exhaustive list, but maybe might inspire a few.